Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what many consider the best walker for the elderly. The Drive Medical 10257BL-1 4-wheel rollator walker with seat. Whether you're helping a loved one find reliable mobility support or looking for the perfect walker yourself, this product offers a fantastic balance of durability, comfort, and convenience. First, let's talk about the design and build. This rollator features a sturdy steel frame that ensures strength and stability while still maintaining a relatively lightweight profile at just under 19 pounds. The dimensions are compact enough for easy maneuverability, measuring 25.5 inches deep, 23.5 inches wide, and 35 inches tall. The walker is built to support up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. One of the standout features is the set of 4 7.5-inch caster wheels. These wheels provide a smooth and stable rolling experience, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The size strikes a good balance, not too big to be bulky but large enough to handle various surfaces comfortably. You'll find that the walker glides easily and turns quickly, making navigation in tight spaces or around furniture more manageable. Adjustability is another strong point. The handles can be quickly adjusted in height from 31 to 35 inches using an easy turn lever. This allows the walker to fit different users comfortably, helping reduce strain on the hands and wrists. The ergonomic handles are designed with comfort in mind to support longer periods of use without discomfort. A major convenience is the built-in padded seat. Measuring 12 inches square, this seat provides a comfortable place to rest when needed. It's perfect for taking a quick break during walks or errands. The rollator also includes a removable padded backrest that can be folded up or down, adding extra support when sitting. This backrest folds easily and can be removed altogether if you prefer a simpler setup. Storage is thoughtfully addressed with an under-seat pouch. This storage space is perfect for holding personal items such as purses, small bags, or shopping essentials. Having your belongings close at hand without needing an extra bag is a practical feature for day-to-day use. The rollator folds side to side with a one-hand operation, making it highly portable. When folded, it remains in a standing position, which is very handy for parking or storing it in tight spaces. This makes it easy to transport in vehicles or store at home without hassle. Safety is covered well with the handbrakes located on the handles. These brakes can be pressed down or locked in place, securing the walker so it won't roll when you want to sit or pause. The braking system is intuitive and reliable, providing peace of mind during use. This rollator has been designed and manufactured by Drive Medical, a well-known brand with over 2 decades of experience in mobility aids. The product comes with a limited lifetime warranty, reflecting the company's confidence in its durability and quality. Overall, the Drive Medical 10257BL-1 rollator walker stands out for combining essential features like strength, comfort, ease of use, and portability into one affordable package. It is an excellent choice for seniors or adults who want a dependable mobility aid that also doubles as a comfortable resting seat. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you're considering a walker that offers stability, adjustability, and convenient features, this Drive Medical rollator is definitely worth your attention. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.